I would like to encourage younger scientists to follow their dreams and work on cutting-edge topics, because here in Carinthia we welcome any scientist from every corner of the world to come here and work on these scientific topics. I'm a junior scientist at Silicon Austria Labs, and I'm working on thin film technology unit. So we are working on different type of thin films related to MEMS technologies, and I'm working on lead-free material, which are not harmful for the environment, and as we call them, environmentally friendly. So we can work on such cutting-edge topics without damaging the environment, which is so much important for us. Here in Carinthia, we are not only working with local companies like Infineon, but also we are working with international companies, and we have a lot of international partners, which also economically help our Carinthia to advance this state for a better future.